Delta Force, officially known as 1st SFODD, operates with some of the most advanced and adaptable weapons on Earth. Unlike regular units, their loadouts change per mission, threat, and environment. This video covers real-world weapons confirmed through military sources, contracts, and operator references. Assault rifles and carbines, Sig Sauer MCX Spear LT, a lightweight suppressed friendly rifle used for close to mid-range operations, highly modular and favored for urban raids. HK416DA battle-proven rifle with a short-stroke gas piston system, offering extreme reliability in harsh environments. Sig Sauer M7XM7 next-generation battle rifle chambered in 6.8 into 51 millimeters, designed for increased lethality and armor penetration. Sig Sauer MCXLVAW, designed specifically for special operations, optimized for suppressed fire and discrete missions. Sig Sauer MCX Spear, used for high-risk assaults requiring greater stopping power while maintaining compact size. Noveske Gen 3 precision-built AR platform known for accuracy and durability, often customized per operator preference. Noveske Gen 4, an evolution of the Gen 3 with improved ergonomics and materials for prolonged combat missions. Colt M4A1 SOPMOD Block 2, classic SOCOM rifle equipped with optics, lasers, suppressors, and foregrips for all mission profiles. Precision and sniper rifles, Barrett MK22 ASR, multi-caliber sniper system designed for extreme long-range engagements and rapid caliber changes. Knight's Armament SR25 semi-automatic precision rifle, ideal for designated marksman roles and Overwatch support. Knight's Armament M110A2SASS improved sniper support system with suppressor compatibility and reduced weight. HK 4177.62mm rifle, providing greater stopping power in urban and mountainous terrain. HKG-28 precision rifle optimized for accuracy, used for medium to long-range combat support. Barrett M107A1 anti-materiel rifle, capable of neutralizing vehicles, equipment, and fortified positions. Macmillan TAC-50 Extreme long-range bolt-action sniper rifle, used for Overwatch and counter-sniper roles. MK13 MOD-7 modernized bolt-action sniper rifle, favored for stealth and precision missions. Submachine guns and PDW's Sig Sauer MCX Rattler ultra-compact rifle, ideal for CQB, vehicle operations, and confined spaces. HKMP-7A1 personal defense weapon, firing armor-piercing rounds, commonly used in hostage rescue. B&T APC 9K compact 9mm platform, used for rapid entry, suppression, and close-quarters assaults. Machine guns, Knight's Armament LAMG lightweight machine gun, designed to provide sustained fire with reduced operator fatigue. FNMK-48 MOD 27.62mm machine gun, used for heavy fire support during direct action missions. M240L titanium lightened machine gun, offering reliability with reduced weight. Browning M2HB heavy machine gun, used in vehicle-mounted or defensive roles. M134D minigun electrically powered rotary gun, used on helicopters and vehicles for overwhelming firepower. Launchers and anti-armor M320 grenade launcher single-shot launcher, used for explosive, smoke, and illumination rounds. M32MGL 6-shot revolving grenade launcher for area suppression and room clearing. M3 MAW's recoilless rifle, used against bunkers, vehicles, and fortified positions. M72A7 Law lightweight disposable anti-armor weapon for quick engagements. FGM-148 Javelin advanced fire and forget missile system for defeating armored threats. Tactical robotics and drones. Black Hornet nano-palm-sized reconnaissance drone, used for indoor and urban surveillance. Throwbot 2 throwable robot, used to scout rooms before entry. Anduril Ghost X Long Endurance ISR drone, providing real-time battlefield intelligence. FPV drones, used for reconnaissance and situational awareness in high-risk environments. Shotguns, Benelli M4 semi-automatic combat shotgun, used for breaching and CQB. Remington 870M CS modular shotgun, capable of breaching, less lethal, and combat roles. Serbu Super Shorty ultra-compact breaching shotgun for door entry operations. Handguns, Glock 19 and Glock 17, primary sidearms due to reliability, simplicity, and global availability. Sig Sauer P320 modular pistol, adaptable to different grip sizes and mission needs.